Hi, it's Natalie Hoy from Belcourt Property Group, and behind me sits 61A Grand Prom Bedford. Beautiful 2016 built 2-storey 4x2 home on the preferred south side of Grand Prom, right on the Inglewood border and of course Inglewood Primary School zone. Let's go inside and take a look at this really beautiful home. Okay, so we can come through the extra wide, you've got to love an extra wide feature door, through to the beautiful open plan kitchen, dining, living space. So as you can see, you've got higher course ceilings throughout here. Really gorgeous space. It's one of the things that I really particularly love about this home is the amount of generous space that it offers. So you've got downstairs living, you do have upstairs living as well. So you've got a choice of spots in terms of where you want to hang out and watch telly. The owners at the moment use this as a proper lounge. You can see, well, there's the courtyard, we'll pop up there shortly. Dining and kitchen. Now, a particularly great feature of the kitchen is that it's got two massive fridge recesses. So you see one there, there is another one here, but the owners have chosen to just utilize that space for the microwave. There is though a microwave recess separately. The door down there is to the powder room, so that's very handily located. One of the other great features about this home being 2-storey is that it does have a main bedroom downstairs, and there is also an optional main upstairs with a semi-ensuite bathroom, which is the family bathroom. But as you can see, here's the kitchen, tons of overhead cupboard space, beautiful stone bench top, island bench, so you can perch there in the morning or glass of wine in the evening as someone else is cooking. You've got really lovely wide oven and gas cooktop. You've got microwave space here if you choose to use it as that. And you've got this great little scullery area off to the side as well. So an extra sink over here and dishwasher, so you can just keep everything out of the way. Now through that door at the end is the laundry. I'm not popping in there because Lily the cat is inhabiting that at the moment, but there is really fantastic storage space in there. And there is also, I'll pop the light on, this super U-Beaut, very large walk-in pantry. So the owners have enhanced the outdoor space to make it really super low maintenance. You've got a lovely tiled undercover alfresco space there. You can see the privacy screening, which is really good. And then they've put down fake turf, so it makes it, again, very easy to look at. You've got these beautiful plantings, trellises across the back fence to make that nice and green, and a fantastic mature olive that's, well, it's grown very quickly, that olive tree, and it's just such a lovely feature. And you can just see down the side how neat and tidy that space is. So just a really practical space, perfect for entertaining and sitting out with friends, or if you've got a small dog, plenty of room for them also. So off to the side of the living space, we've got this great study nook. This is just a terrific use of space. So you can see here, great little study nook tucked away. So your computer is close at hand, but everything can be hidden behind this wall. Particularly useful if it was in my house, because I have a massive mess. And the ubiquitous and much needed cupboard under the stairs. So what that means is you've just got this main bedroom downstairs really tucked away privately. So again, another great feature. It's there, but it is tucked away. Huge space. So king size bed, bedside tables, and the other thing this room has got, or the main bedroom suite has got, is his and her robes. So there's a walk-in, or her and her robes, or his and his robes, depending upon who gets all the cupboard space. So you've got a robe there, but look, you've got plenty of room, great long chest of drawers there. You've got another robe tucked away in here. You've got separate toilet, so that's nice and private. And then you've got the open plan main bathroom. So nice deep bath with spa jets, perfect for relaxing at the end of the day or a lazy Sunday afternoon. Double vanities, plenty of storage space. Hello, nice wide mirror and really great sized shower as well. So here we are upstairs. There are 3 very large bedrooms up here, as well as this great extra living space. So this is actually where the owners have got their TV tucked away up here. Of course, you can have downstairs as a TV area as well. It just all depends on what works for you and your family. You can see the outlook there, but really nice sized room here. I'm going to swing around. You'll see the stairs just there with the handrail. All of the bedrooms have got built-in robes. So this is currently set up as a nursery. You've got the nice high highlight windows to let in lots of natural light. And you've got these terrific built-in robes. So really good size room. I'll just swing around to the other side. You can see there's the cot, change table, chest of drawers, really good space. We'll walk back across, and here's another bedroom. Again, these really nice highlight windows letting in lots of natural light, but you can see the space. These rooms will easily fit queen size beds. And again, these good full length built-in robes. It's very cute. And look, there's a fox. Gotta love a fox. We'll swing around. And this is the bedroom that accesses the semi-ensuite family bathroom that's upstairs. You can see there's a very large bed there, fits in very easily. You've got a table still at the side. You've got the robes and you've got access through the bathroom. We'll pop in this way. So you can see dual access. Shut that just so you get a bit more room. Nice big tall shower, vanity, storage, mirror, and particularly if you've got young children, that much needed bath. So both bathrooms have got baths and you've got an upstairs loo as well. So 3 toilets in total. And the very last thing to show you is the big double garage. There's quite a bit of storage in here at the moment. Plenty of space. Again, the extra high ceilings and big wide garage doors. The other feature of this home is there is a secure gate down the driveway as well. So all of the area at the front can be secured and be private as well. So that's 61A Grand Prom in Bedford. Beautiful, stylish, contemporary, 2-storey home, oodles of accommodation and living space, nothing to spend or do. Inglewood border, you're just going to love the location on this one and the proximity to the Beaufort Street Strip and all of those fabulous amenities, as well as super easy access to bus transport links to the city, as well as Meltham train station. Really, it's got it all. Call me now, 0405 812 273, or see you at a home open. Have a great day.